So let's take a look at Asset Manager. If you click on this icon here in the sidebar, you can open the Asset Manager, and these are the assets I'm using for my Blocs library website. And as you can see, these assets are mostly images, logos, and favicons. But your assets can also include PDF files and other types of files. So let's actually add a new structure here and create a new section where we will place some new images and import them to our Blocs application for the first time. And now under this heading, I want to have some images. And in order to have some images, I need to import the new images, and I will do that to the separate new group. So let's create a new group here and name this thumbs or thumbnails, something like that. And this is different from all. As you can see, all will show you all. And if we click on thumbs, it will only show you a new folder. And now we can import different types of assets, local, hosted, and a few others. So let's first of all go to our files here. I have already prepared a folder with some of the images I want to import. So in addition to just importing them from the asset manager itself, we can also just drag them and place them in the asset manager this way. And after we've done that, we can go to our website here and place them under our section. But let me actually show you something else. In addition to just placing them inside the asset manager, we can also just drag one image and place it under the section this way, and it will be automatically imported into our thumbs folder as well. So pretty cool. In Blocs for Mac, you can also drag a bunch of photos. For Blocs for iPad, it looks like it only supports one photo at a time. So to change the photo, just click on it and click on the other photo in the asset manager. And if you want to add some kind of gallery, let's actually, first of all, add the gallery brick or something like that. Let's see what we have here. So Masonry gallery will probably what I would like to have here. So let's click on each of these image thumbnails and select the image we want to add. If you want to delete an image from your asset manager, you need to select it. And when you do, you can click on this minus icon to remove it from asset manager and from your website as well. So like that, we can add and manage assets. And let me show you what else you can include here. So for example, in addition to all of these images we have here, let's add some kind of PDF file. So let's add the local asset, and I will be adding PDF file from one of the templates documentations. So let's select this file, click open. And now as you can see, it is in our asset manager. And we can go to our website here, and let's say we want to add a button with download interaction. So we will add a button. Let's actually align it to the center, give more margin. And now if we go to interactions and select the download file interaction, it will allow us to choose the file we just added to our website. As you can see, kitchen instructions is the PDF I just added. We can change the label, of course. And now when users click on this button, they will be able to download this PDF file. So that's cool. And as you can see now, this file is inside the regular all folder. We can select it to add to the thumbs group like that. And we need to click on this left icon. Now this file will also be added to the thumbs folder. As you can see, it is here. Let's take a look what other methods we have to add assets to our project. We can add photos from library, we can take photos, and we can add hosted assets. So let's try this. And basically you type the URL of the file you want to import. I have a favicon here, for example, and by importing it, it is now free to be used inside my project. I can use it as a regular image. I can also go to project settings, for example, and use it as my logo and as my favicon for the browsers. So very, very cool. And this image is stored online on the server.